The repair services at Czech railways have a history dating back to the very beginnings of the railway in our country. From the original workshops, we have progressed to new maintenance centres, which service hundreds of vehicles every year. We invest not only in new vehicles, but also in the education of our employees, which enables us to keep up with modern trends in the maintenance of new vehicles. The quality of repairs is one of the key factors in gaining the trust of our passengers in Czech railways. We invest not only in new vehicles, but also in the technical equipment of our service staff. For this reason, we have decided to try out augmented reality technology and smart glasses in the maintenance of our rolling stock. We want to provide our employees with modern technologies to support them in their demanding work. Our aim is for even our field staff to have access to detailed process instructions when maintaining our railway vehicles. We believe that this new technology will enable our new colleagues to get up to speed more quickly and gain the experience and know-how needed to work independently on train maintenance.